So let's be honest. Siri is trash. And the Apple intelligence model is also trash. Let me show you a quick demo about this. Let me turn on the Apple intelligence. Now let me show you something. Let me turn on the new Siri. Yeah. So let me ask Siri to set a timer for 10 and 15 minutes separately, and let's see what it does. Set a timer for 10 and 15 minutes. As you can see here in the live activities, and here also, it has set a timer of 25 minutes, which I didn't want, right? So what I wanted to set was a 10 and 15-minute timer separately. Let's try that again, but let's say the word separately as well. Set a timer for 10 and 15 minutes separately. And that also didn't work. It was just 10 minutes. So apparently, Siri's trash. But that's not a problem because Apple is planning to pay $1 billion a year to use Google AI for Siri. Yes, the unexpected is happening, and it will happen through the private cloud compute. As you can see, Google Gemini model will handle complex tasks on the server side using Apple's private cloud compute. The private cloud compute was announced 1.5 years ago, and now it's getting revamped. I don't even understand right now. So they're using internal code names like AFMV10 because they want to keep the partnership secret. Well, it's not a secret now. Like, seriously, look at this. 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 It's not a secret now. So, well, you can just say now normally. So, Apple released a custom large scale Gemini model. Yeah, a $3 trillion company. I think it's $3 trillion, right? Apple net worth. It is $3 trillion, almost reaching $4 trillion. Oh no, it did reach $4 trillion. So a $4 trillion company cannot make its own AI, and that's pretty sad to be honest. Yeah, and the main irony in this fact is that Siri is 15 years old. It was released in February 2010. So that means it's almost 16 now. And Google Assistant is 8 years old, over 8 years old just. No, wait. It was released on May 18th, 2016. So, right now it's 2025. So it's almost 10 years, I guess, like 9.5 years. So Google Assistant is 9.5 years old, whereas Siri is going 16. That's massive, like seriously. And still, Siri is performing worse than Google Assistant or Gemini as they call it now. And let's just hope that Apple fixes Siri in the spring of 2026 and that we can use Siri instead of this. So let me show you something really amusing. So let me ask something. Explain photosynthesis, right? Explain photosynthesis. Can it explain it? Wow. To write that, you need to enable ChatGPT. So it's not even going to like explain me. So what is the point of this Apple intelligence? Like, I am more intelligent than Apple intelligence, I think, seriously. Like, I can explain photosynthesis. It's the process in which plants make their own food, to say the least. So yeah, I guess normal people are intelligent than AI now. So let's just hope that Siri gets fixed. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.